Hi friends, here is a simple problem. It is just based on calculating LCM. Here it is given a red light flashes 3 times per minute and another green light which is flashing 5 times in 2 minutes. If they both start flashing at the same time, how many times do they flash together in each hour? Just simple, very basic problem. It has come in CAT 2002. If you look at this, 3 times per minute, what does that mean? Every 20 seconds, it is flashing once. Then only it will flash 3 times in a minute. And 5 times in 2 minutes, that means 5 times in 120 seconds. That means, right, 5 times in 120 seconds. Right, that means every 24 seconds, it is flashing once. Right, 5 times in 120 seconds means 5 into 24 is 120. Right, one is flashing every 20 seconds, another is flashing every 24 seconds. What is the LCM of this 20 and 24? It is clearly 120. Right, and 120 means 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes, they will intersect. What does that mean? In each hour, they will intersect or they will flash together for 30 times. This is such a simple problem, guys. Right, just calculating LCM of 20 and 24, identifying, converting everything into seconds. Right, guys.